Hey guys, I'm Technoga here, another new video. So today I have opened my CPU and I check out what part I have used this in my CPU. I have already opened my CPU case. Now first remove this piece. So first in my channel, so please subscribe my channel, more new awesome like this one. So I have removed my first piece cover. Then and now I have removed this product and I have used this motherboard. This is the Gigabyte. Now first we check it. This is a Gigabyte H410mH Intel chipset motherboard. It is a core, I think it's a Intel Core 10 Gen motherboard. I have used this. So now first check it. It's a no lag and Gigabyte exclusive 818 gaming LAN with bandwidth management and NVMe PCI Gen 3. Into 2280 M2C, and one comes with a high quality onboard audio design and high quality capacitor and smart fan 5. You use this any other fan inside this, so on your choice. Now so first I remove this. Now first I do this. Oh, sorry for disturbing my videos. And now check it. I have used an Intel 12 volt fan. This is the 250 rupees Intel fan. This is the good fan for this motherboard and this is compatible for this motherboard. And you look, this is a power supply. This is a normal power supply. This power supply name is I think Risk of Electronic Shock. Now not JMPS 920 power supply here. This power supply is really good. You look at DC output plus 5 volt, and now you look this, and this is a 5 volt, and this is 3.3 volt, 12 volt plus 5 volt and 12 V2, and this is the risk of electronic shock. To reduce the risk for electric shock, to not open cover under on circumstance and no user and serviceable parts inside. Refer service to qualified service person only. And this is a 6 I think this is 600 power supply for my computer. Now and the other side, this power supply connect this thick cable I have joined to my motherboard now. And this is the 12 volt fan, comes with a good heatsink, and this is the idle fan for this power supply now. And talk about this motherboard. This motherboard I have used. This motherboard have a Gig 818 gaming LAN anti-sulfur resistor smart fan. Comes to smart fan 5. This is the other smart fan port. You look this. This is the other smart fan port of inside this. You really connect any other 5 volt fan inside, and really you customize a fan speed on your BIOS. So first talk about something this motherboard now. This motherboard is a CPU socket is a LJ120 and RAM memory tech is a DDR4, and compatible processor is 10th generation Intel Core, and memory clock is 2933 MHz, and platform is Windows, and memory storage capacity 512 GB, and card is interface PCI. So talk about something this motherboard. So this is the H4 now this is the H410 motherboard, comes with the exclusive Realtek 818 gaming LAN, NVMe PCIe and Gen 3.1 2280 M.2 connector. Gigabyte motherboards is a high-end audio capacitors. The capacitors, you look this capacitor now, guys. This is the capacitor. You have look this is a capacitor. It's a high quality of capacitor, give a high quality audio and high quality of power, and help deliver high resolution and high fidelity audio, provide the most realistic sound effects for gamers and who listen to music of long time period. So 8 channel HD audio with talk about the features and details. The 8-channel HD audio with audio capacitors, gigabyte exclusive 818 gaming LAN with bandwidth management, dual channels, non-EC, unbuffered DDR4 and DIMS. So this power supply, I have connect this my power supply, and this is the good 600 is a good quality power supply for us. This is another power supply channel here. And now talk about this is a graphics card slot. I have no use any graphics card slot. I have used i5 processors of this, and I'm not using any SSD card, and I have used one RAM only. You look this, I have used one RAM. I have used one RAM in the inside there, and I have no. You also have looked this up. Now you have looked this part of this is a hard drive. I have not used any kind of SSD. I have used a hard drive of this. This is a 1 TB hard drive. I think 1 TB hard drive is the best for you. And this is the connector of the graphics cards connectors, and a lot of other ports here. And yes, you really use this product, and now it's a good for you. Now let's we check out, open a computer, and let's talk about this now. Just wait, friends. I on my computer now. Just wait. Now you listen to the sound, and now I have on my computer. Now the fan is open. Now you look, they're glowing the lights here, and rotating other fans now inside. Look, this other fan inside rotating in my power supplies is here, and I think it's the best for you. Now we check out a BIOS, and we check out a performance inside here, and what is the CPU power management. Now my computer is here. Now my computer is, please wait, showing a wait now. Sorry friends, sorry. So the phone is slipped from my hand and no control there. So you look this. Now we first check out refresh. We go to first refresh, and I go to Task Manager. Now just wait. Now we go to transfer here, and this is the memory, CPU uses, and you look this, the CPU is 3.9 gigahertz. Now I zoom this, 3.9 gigahertz, and this is the utilizations. Utilization is a 2.2 CB, and is the good for you, and 1.5 CB is the best. Now we go to directly open resource monitor. So this is my computer setup. So do you like this video? So please subscribe my channel. It's more new awesome. You'll like this one, and please share this video. So hopefully you like this video, and I'm see you all my next one. So have a nice day. Goodbye. See you again.